Welcome, in front of me is a POCO M3, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. And to get started, what you want to do is hold power key. When you see the options, choose power off. Wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, you want to then hold power key and volume up. So power and volume up, both of them at the same time. And there we go. Now I went a little bit too far by pressing the power key, so let me go back. And obviously, as you can see, you navigate in this menu using volume keys. Touch just doesn't seem to do anything. So what you want to do is select wipe data and then confirm it with power key. Then just confirm it once more with power key. Scroll down, power key, and it will begin. And as you can see, at least at this stage, it takes just a couple of seconds. So now let's just go power key once more and once more and once more. And this will now initiate the reboot, and also it will continue the reset of the device in the background. So it will take a little bit longer than it normally does for the device to turn back on. But once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.